Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this new episode of this video. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to open a currency pair chart on your TradingView. So if you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. So without wasting much time, let's get to the video. Right here is our TradingView. So if you don't know how to open any currency pair chart, let's take for example, you're searching for any crypto pair or any currency pair and you don't know how to go about it. So right here is where you search for crypto pair, right? If you're on your TradingView, you tap on this plus icon. Once you tap on it, now let's take for example, you're searching for BTC USDT, right? So you just type in BTC USDT. So once you tap on it, it's loading and you can see so many options right here on so many exchanges, right? So you just need to go ahead and choose the one you want to use. So I'll tap on this. So once I tap on it, you can see once I tap on it, this is how it's going to look like. So right now you want your charts to look bigger so you can be able to analyze your pair and also know when to trade, right? So you just click on this icon right here. So once you click on it, and you can see it has already popped up on my chart, and now I can be able to analyze my pair and also know when to buy and when to sell. So this is the simplest way on how to search for and also open your chart on any pair on TradingView. Alright, thank you for watching this video up till this time. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.